space converge.
What's your name? Dirty bastard. I'm an alcoholic.
Yeah, me too, nigga.
Believed he broke his fall by bouncing off the sides of the 324-foot shaft, and that air pressure in it helped slow him down. The smoking of marijuana arouses a good deal less alarm among drug authorities nowadays than a decade or so ago, although its safety and morality remain matters of dispute. But now the youth culture that first popularized marijuana is increasingly turning on with another drug, often smoked with marijuana, but far more unpredictable and dangerous. The drug is called angel dust, and Harold Dow has a report on it.
The recent California Jam Rock concert. 250,000 young people. Music, marijuana, and for a few, a very bad